What up, guys? Big Dog Strategies. And this is my new song. It's called Oh my bad. My allergies nose booger. And I go so hard in that Tesla. That shit drive itself while I. Hey guys, that was just my new song. It's called "Beauty in the Sag." It's just telling you guys about how people are so judgmental in society and how I have a lot of girls. I guess I mean I'm not trying to flex or anything. I'm just saying like beauty in the sag. So all these girls I have, right? And I'm a monster. Everyone in society looks at me as a monster, bro. And I have all these beautiful girls. So I don't know, just beauty in the sag, bro. Because everyone in the society wants to judge. You know what I'm saying? And everyone wants girls, and it's just kind of sad because that's the PNK. Well, I can't really say too much about that. It's YouTube, and I want you guys to learn. I don't want to make it a hostile environment whatsoever. So, but yeah, man. Everyone just wants to have 1 second, guys, man. What the heck is this stuff on me? What the heck? Oh man, I'm almost out of these too. My favorites, because it has lotion. Man, how the heck do they put lotion inside a tissue? Like that's like some magic, more Elon Musk type stuff right here, man. Just like my song, it's like my Tesla. I showed you guys in the how to handle stressful or situations or whatever. What was it called? How high pressure situations is a big dog in society, right? So I told you guys I have my Tesla. You showed it to you guys in that video. It was like around the 3/4 of the end or whatever. My Tesla, like in the song I just said, that stuff that thing drives itself while I'm eating chips. That thing drives itself while I'm relieving myself because I don't like messing with these females because these females are so bad, especially in America. I have like 100 females, hundreds actually, honestly, hundreds, bro, in the other ocean, over the ocean, bro. And I could just go there, bro, if I wanted, but I'm just here because I have my house on lease. I leased this house already. I didn't know the police were gonna mess me up like this, but I leased the house, and then the police are already after I leased this house, and I'm stuck here now. The police are just like killing me. I don't even leave my house, but I'm happy because now I'm starting to work on with you guys and helping you guys. So I guess everything happens for a reason. That's why my song. It said I told you on my one song. I know it's a very vulgar song, but it says, "Don't God will never put more on your plate than you can handle. Just listen from to me." That's what I said in the song even. But I know my song is very vulgar. Besides, the last one I did last night wasn't that bad. It wasn't that vulgar. Beauty and the Sag. That song wasn't that vulgar. So I mean, if you want to at least listen to just that one, you could. But then I'm scared you're gonna listen to my other songs, which are very vulgar, and I don't want that. Honestly, I don't want that because people always hate on my music my whole life. So I don't want people to listen to my vulgar music and get hate on me again like I did for my last 12 years. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. That's kind of depressing to talk about. But here's my dog. Baby girl, she's chilling. She's chilling just like a good girl would. And that pun is intended, by the way, guys. This is a little pantsag, Big Dog Strategies leader, Big Dog Strategies CEO. And yeah, that dog is chilling just like your girlfriend should if you want a girlfriend. I don't want a girlfriend. It doesn't mean I don't judge, bro. Just listen to my song, Beauty in the Sag. I don't judge, bro. Trust me. I just want to help you for real. That's why I say the N word and I'm not black. I even just figured that out recently, bro. I can say the N word, I'm not black. I'm from Inglewood, bro, and I've been growing up with the Crips and the Bloods, bro. So I can say the N word, but it's not because of that. It's not really because of that, bro. The reason I can say the N word, guys, and I'm not black. Let me tell you guys this. The reason I can say the N word and I'm not. Oh fuck, man, fucking fuck. Shit, I'm sorry, curse. I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna try to edit this video, guys. I'm gonna try to edit this video. Yeah, but the reason I can say the N word and I'm not black is because I'm a real N. I'm a real N, bro, and I really and to prove that to you guys, show you guys how real it is. Like I'm trying to help everybody in society and boss up, and also all my friends in real life, bro. I help them. I give them cat. I give them Kit Kat. If you know what I'm talking about, man. I can't really say too much because I don't like this stuff. It's just society, what you guys want. This is what you guys want. This is what you guys need. So I'm just giving it because of that, you know. But that's why, man. I give my ends Kit Kat. I give them. I break them off. Give them a break of that Kit Kat, man. Get the extremely God size one. Not even the king size Kit Kat, man. I have the God size Kit Kat. The angel of God size Kit Kat. I just break everybody off some of that Kit Kat. All my friends in the hood. Kit Kat for you, Kit Kat for you, Kit Kat for you. Oh, I have a God one, man. It never runs out, man. Just keep breaking each break. And then the better of a person you are, man, I'll give you more Kit Kat. Come on, I love society. I love good people, man. I don't mess with snakes, but I'll help snakes if they want to help. Because if they help me by watching these videos, snakes, then it empowers me to help the good people better than the snakes. You see what I'm saying? I got you guys, because God, I'm telling you, God is talking. And I don't even want to say anything, but that's about it. But I want to keep talking to you guys, because I need to get this monetized, man. The police, if you heard my song Beauty and the Sag, man, it kind of makes me want to cry, bro. I'm not even capping. But if you heard my song Beauty and the Sag, bro, the police took 2 years rent from me, bro. 2 years rent from me. I don't even know what. In the last year, bro. In the last year, the police took two years rent from me, around 25, 30 racks. I would say at least. And then you also saw my short, right? My ex even took another 30 racks from me. So see that? Because I spent it on jail fees and bail and lawyers and everything. So yeah, it's where I lost 60 racks right there. Just right there, bro. And look at this chain, bro. 20 racks. Look at this. Oh, my teeth aren't even on me right now, bro. I can go get them, but it's all good. I'm not a fake person. I don't need my teeth, bro. Just like my video, Big Soft Strategies, how to handle high pressure situations, bro. You saw I had my teeth. It was in the trash can. I didn't know it was in the trash can, bro. I was looking everywhere before. I was looking for the teeth for 2 hours, bro, before I even started recording and realized this is a good idea. And then I started recording, bro. And then I found the teeth in the trash can, bro. I wasn't even tripping about the teeth the whole time. You see, bro? I don't need teeth. I'm real, bro. I'm real. I'm the big dog of the society, bro. I want to help you guys, bro, for real. I don't want to be fake like any of these other guys, bro, at all. I don't want to be fake. If you guys want, just comment down on someone that you think is like kind of a bully, that might be trying to help you guys like me, but they're a little bit of a bully, and show me the video, and I'll try to expose them, bro. I'll expose them for you guys, bro. Like I said, I fight for my friends, bro. I fight for my fans. I'll beat up your bullies, bro. I promise you guys. Like, I even told you guys, if I have to, I'll go expose these girls in real life. I don't want to have to do that, bro, because these girls get so angry. They start crying. They start trying to beat me up, even though I'm just talking to them being nice. But I really don't want to have to do that, bro, guys. I just want to have to get monetized as soon as possible because the police, I swear, it's messed up. I just want to talk to the children and stuff too, but I don't know if they can handle this stuff, even though it's what they need to hear. But that's been another problem of mine lately. Because I want the children, man, to grow up good. I don't want them to keep growing up like this, man. It's kind of sad, you know what I'm saying? But it's just a little pantsag, man. I'm nothing, man. Honestly, fuck. Anyway, I don't know. What else do you guys... I wish we could have a live talk soon. I want to make a live chat for whoever's actually wants to talk. I'm really not going to bad. You know, I'm not going to mess with you. You're not going to regret talking to me. I promise that. You won't regret talking to me. And I want to have a way that you guys can give me love back. For real, man. And we can get to know each other maybe. And I don't have to scare anybody anymore. I can just help everybody. Don't have to get snaked anymore because everybody looks at me and snakes me instantly. They think I probably snaked a million people, but I haven't. So they just snake me instantly. I think that's what it is. So Beauty in the Sag, bro. Judgment. Everybody judging. All right, I'm gonna wait till 9/11 this time because that's my favorite number. That's coming up next. I mean, at least I don't fuck with 9/11, man. No police know that either.